Now we will start exercise 11E. That is, first one is simplify x upon 2 plus x upon 4. So these are the fractions. So we will solve the fraction earlier by taking the LCM. So in the same way we will solve these fractions also. So LCM of 2 and 4. We will take the LCM of denominators. So LCM of 2 and 4, 4. So now we will divide this LCM by this denominator. 2 to the 4. 2 into x, 2x. Then plus sign. Then divide the LCM by this denominator. 4 1 the 4. 1 into x, 1x. That will come x. So 2x plus x, 3x upon 4. So 3 and 4 are not divisible by any same number. So answer is 3x upon 4. Next, fourth sum, x upon 2 minus x upon 8. So LCM of 2 and 8, 8. Then 2 for the 8, 4 into x, 4x. Minus 8 1 the 8, 1 into x, x. 4x minus x, 3x upon 8. Both are 3 and 8 are not divisible by any same number. So answer is 3x upon 8. Fifth sum, 3y upon 4 minus y upon 5. So we will take the LCM of 4 and 5. It will come 20. 4 5s are 20. 5 3s are 15y. Minus 5 4 are 20. 4 into y, 4y. So 15y minus 4y, it will come 11y upon 20. 11 and 20 are not divisible by any same number. Answer is 11y upon 20. Then 7th sum, k upon 2 plus k upon 3 plus 2k upon 5. Now we have 3 terms or 3 fractions to add. So we can add LCM of 2, 3 and 5. It will come 30. 30 divided by 2, what we will get? 15. 15 into k, 15k. Plus 3 tens are 30, 10 into k, 10k. Plus 5 6 are 30, 6 2s are 12k. So 15k plus 10k plus 12k. 15 plus 10, 25 plus 12, 37k upon 30. So 37 and 30 are not divisible by any same number. So students, answer is 37k upon 30. See 8th sum. That is 2x upon 5 plus 3x upon 4 minus 3x upon 5. So we will take the LCM of 5, 4 and 5. So LCM will come 20. So 5 for the 20, 4 2s are 8x. Plus 4 5s are 20, 5 3s are 15x. Minus 5 for the 20, 4 3s are 12x. So now we will see positive and negative terms. So all the terms are like, yes. Then we will add all the positive terms separately and negative terms separately. So 2 are positive, 8x plus 15x, it will come 23x. Then minus 12x as it is because only one negative term upon 20. So 23x minus 12x, what we will get? 11x. So 11x upon 20. 11 and 20 are not divisible by any same number. So we will leave the answer 11x upon 20. Now move to the 12th sum. 3a upon 8 plus 4a upon 5 minus a upon 5 plus 2a upon 5. So first of all, we will solve the bracket. Rest we will write as it is. So 3a upon 8 plus 4a upon 5 minus here 5. Then when denominators are same, then we will take the LCM as it is, the denominator. Then we can write the numerator as it is. So a plus 2a, bracket close. So 3a upon 8 plus 4a upon 5. Now students see a plus 2a, 3a upon 5. Inside the bracket positive 3a upon 5. Out of the bracket is minus sign. So minus plus minus Listen again. A plus 2a, 3a upon 5 inside the bracket. Positive a 3a upon 5. Out of the bracket is minus sign. So minus plus minus 3a upon 5. Now we will solve this by taking the LCM same. So LCM will come 40. 8 5 is 40. 5 3 is 15a. 5 8 is 40. 8 4 is 32a. 5 then minus sign. 5 8 is 40. 8 3 is 24a. Now see the positive or negative terms. So 15a and 32a are positive. Minus 24a is negative. So we will add both the positive. It will come 47a minus 24a upon 40. So 47a minus 24a, 23a upon 40. So students, answer is 23a upon 40. Now move to the 14th. Y upon 5 plus 5 minus 19y upon 15. So we will take the LCM of y and 5 and 15. LCM will come 15. 5 3 is 15. 3 into y, 3y. In denominator here is 1. Then we will put plus sign. 15 divided by 1 we will get 15. 15 into y, 15y. And minus sign. 15 1 the 15. 1 into 19, 19y. Now see the positive. So these two are positive. So 3 plus 15, 18y minus 19y upon 50. So 18 minus 19 plus minus minus, it means 19 minus 18, we will get 1. 19 is later, it means minus 1. So minus y upon 15. So student, answer is minus y upon 50. 16th sum, that is x plus 2 upon 3. So first we will take the LCM as we are taking. So 3 is the LCM. 3 divided by 1, 3. So 3 into x, 3x. Then plus sign. 3 divided by 3. What we will get? 1. So 1 we will write here. Then after 1 we have to do the multiply with this numerator. So if in numerator multinomial expression is given, so that we will write to multiply inside the bracket. If in numerator multinomial expression is given, so for multiply we will write here inside the bracket. So this multiply we will do 3x plus 1 into x plus 1 into 2 upon 3. Now student, see the like terms. Here we have to see the like terms also along with sign. 3x and x, who are like. So 3x plus x, 4x. 2 is unlike, so we will write as it is. So 4x plus 2 upon 3. After this we cannot solve because rest of the terms 4x plus 2 are unlike. So answer is 4x plus 2 upon 3. Next, 19th sum. K plus 1 upon 2 plus 2k minus 1 upon 3 minus k plus 3 upon 4. So first we will take the LCM of 2, 3 and 4. So LCM will come 24. Not 24 is that LCM will come 12. 2 6 are 12. As I told you in 16 sum, 6. Then this one is multinomial. So k plus 1 inside the bracket. It means multiply. Then plus sign. 3 4 the 12. 4. Then 2k minus 1 inside the bracket. Then minus sign. 4 3 the 12. K plus 3 inside the bracket for multiply. Now we will open the bracket. It means we will do the multiply. 6 into k, 6k. 6 into 1 plus 6, 6 1 the 6. 4 2 the 8 plus 8k. Then plus minus, minus 4 1 the 4. Then minus plus, minus 3 into k, 3k. Minus plus, minus 3 3 the 9 upon 12. Then 6k. Now we will arrange the like terms. plus 8k, any other k? Yes, minus 3. Then plus 6, any other number? Yes, minus 4, then minus 9 upon 12. 6k plus 8k, both are positive, so 14k, then minus 3k. Then only one positive plus 6, rest two are negative, minus 4 minus 9, so minus 13 upon 12. So 14k minus 3k, 11k, plus 6 minus 13, minus 7 upon 12. So students, answer is 11k minus 7 upon 12. Move to the 20th sum. We will take the LCM of 5, 3 and here 1. So LCM will come 15. 5 3s are 15. 3 into m, 3m. This one is monomial, so directly we can do the multiply. Then minus 3 5s are 15, 5. Then m minus 2 inside the bracket. 1 15s are 15. 15 into m, 15m plus 15m. Now students, after this you have to solve yourself, then find the answer, comment the answer in comment box.